Big screens no longer belong to movie theaters. In 2026, portable projectors are pushing cinema-level power into devices small enough to carry anywhere. What looks compact hides visuals so sharp and immersive, it feels like Hollywood moved into your room. Some of these projectors break brightness limits. Others completely change how you watch movies on the go. Stay with us because once you see what these tiny machines can do, the way you experience films will never be the same. Number 1. This isn't something you set up, it's something you experience. Samsung Premiere 5 goes beyond projection, turning your space into a living, breathing screen. The moment it powers on, walls disappear and visuals feel bold, immersive, and cinematic, all without the need for a traditional setup. Using it feels effortless. It sits close, projects big, and adapts instantly to your environment, delivering clarity and depth that feel more like a premium display than a portable device. From movies to presentations, everything looks intentional and refined. This isn't just a projector, it's a new way to bring cinema home. Number 2. Cinema no longer needs a room, it just needs a moment. Nebula Capsule 3 packs spectacular visuals into a design small enough to travel anywhere. From the first frame, it turns blank walls into immersive screens, making every space feel like a personal theater. Using it feels effortless and free. Set it down, press play, and watch as sharp visuals and rich sound fill the space without cables or complicated setup. Whether indoors or outdoors, it adapts smoothly, keeping the experience clean and uninterrupted. With the Capsule 3, big screen magic isn't tied to a location anymore. It goes wherever you do. Number 3. Big cinema no longer needs big hardware. LG CineBeam S proves that true 4K brilliance can live inside a compact, futuristic design. The moment it powers on, sharp detail and rich color take over the room, making walls disappear and stories feel larger than life. Using the CineBeam S feels smooth and effortless. It sets up quickly, adapts to your space, and delivers a clear, immersive image without complicated adjustments. Whether it's a movie night, a game session, or a late-night show, the experience stays crisp and cinematic. What makes it special is how refined everything feels. The visuals stay balanced, motion stays natural, and the form factor keeps things portable without sacrificing quality. With LG CineBeam S, you're not carrying a projector, you're carrying a complete 4K cinema, ready whenever inspiration strikes. Number 4. Entertainment no longer waits for a screen, it goes wherever you go. XGIMI MoGo 4 puts cinematic visuals and crisp sound into a compact, portable design, letting you play your way, anytime, anywhere. From the moment it powers on, it adapts seamlessly to your space, projecting sharp, vibrant images that feel bigger than its size. Using the MoGo 4 feels effortless. Set it down, launch your content, and watch as movies, games, or shows come alive with clarity and depth. Whether indoors or outdoors, it transforms ordinary moments into immersive experiences, making every session feel premium and futuristic. Number 5. Big entertainment no longer stays tied to a screen. ViewSonic M1 Max brings cinema-level visuals and streaming power into a portable, compact design. From the moment it powers on, it transforms any space into a living room theater, delivering crisp images, vibrant colors, and immersive sound. Using it feels effortless. With built-in Google TV, your favorite shows, movies, and apps are ready instantly, without extra devices or setup. The projector adapts smoothly to different environments, filling walls with stunning visuals, while keeping control simple and intuitive. With the M1 Max, portability meets premium entertainment, letting you enjoy a full cinematic experience anywhere, anytime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest tech and gadget updates.